Welcome to this AgDrive video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a customer onto your account. So you're going to start by going to Customers on the left hand side and then press Add in the top right hand corner. You'll have two options. One is to invite a customer, which will send an email to your customer to become an AgDrive user so they can schedule work to yourself as a contractor if you're linked together on AgDrive. The other is to simply add a customer, which we're going to do in this example. So we're just going to click Add Customer. From here we can put in the customer's name, email address, phone number, as well. We can also select a default field color, so when we actually have any fields mapped on our account for that particular customer, it will always show these fields in this particular color. So I'm just going to select purple. From here we can put details down for a secondary contact as well. We can also put in the company name, we can also put in the company job code. These are just the 3 digits that will go on the start of every single job, so we can easily identify each job within AgDrive. Once you put these details in, you cannot change it. You can also put in the VAT number, company registration number, as those can actually fill out the address of the business. And then once we've done that, we can simply press Create Customer to add our first customer onto AgDrive. To add more customers onto AgDrive, simply repeat the process, or you can actually bulk upload customers into AgDrive by going to Import and then pressing Import from File. From there, you can actually download a Excel spreadsheet that you can fill in. Please do not change any of the columns as it may affect the actual import. And then once you've done that, you need to save that particular Excel spreadsheet and then upload it in here, and it should import in bulk all of your customers directly into AgDrive. For customers using a cloud-based accounts package such as Xero, Sage or QuickBooks, you'll be able to import your customers from your integrations. If you want to view how you can do that, I would go and visit our integrations video. If you have any questions or queries about this tutorial on customers, I will leave our details in the description below. Thank you very much for watching.